Oh, burnout, wow. He's drifting it. That's crazy. He's literally drifting that thing.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Great job on that.
That was pretty awesome.
That was a pretty good run.
Yeah, that was a good run. He did a burnout at the beginning and drifted at the... Woo! One wheel burnout.
Way heavier than that.
Yeah, way more body roll. Oh, you have to really turn over there.
Way heavier. You can tell. Oh yeah. Way more body roll. We about to flip over out there.
I can't imagine the Opal though with automatic. Well, no, you know what you do with the Opal though, Grandpa, right? You just leave it in low the whole time. Grandpa, is that what you do? Would you just leave the... Would you just leave the Opal in low the whole time? In low gear? Is that what you do? Going around this course, you think?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You don't have to shift.
Let's see if that sprite shifts a second.
Yeah, I might have actually, but the Opal goes to...
Second gear here at least. Maybe.
But the Opal goes to fourth. It goes to 40 mile an hour though in first gear. It's the automatic. That's automatic. Ooh, he's hitting it. I like the backfires, pops and crackles. I remember that. I remember the cones. I like the pops and...
I thought so too, yeah.
Yep, so guys, we're at the Gilmore Car Museum. Oh my god. It's just backing up, or it was. The black one. Yeah, he has to hit second, 'cause that car's so in second gears.
That was second, you think?
Yeah, he's in second. Yeah, he shifted. And the car sounds great decelerating. Yeah, he's well, I think first gear is probably what, 15, 20 mile an hour?
Yeah.
And the Opal, first gear goes up to 40. Yeah, he's done.
You want to give you 3 runs? Yeah. I'll practice in 2 runs.
See how good this MG does. Oh, he's not going that hard. He's just doing first gear the whole time. Ooh, lock up your brake there?
The downshift.
Oh. I'm not going very hard. What happened there? He's... Did it stall?
Did he strip all the gears out of the transmission?
Oh, there he goes. He just started it. Oh, it's idling. He just was pushing the clutch or something. This is gonna be cool. Here comes the Lotus. Lotus Evora. I think they make 400 horsepower. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they do. What they just do is for the rest of the track with no cones, just go as fast as you can around the rest of the track, you know? No cones.
They disqualify you for that.
They should. Well, it has to be part of the race, though.
Oh.
Going really fast. I mean, yeah, I'd give these cars like these a big chance to win. That car's almost too wide. It's almost too wide for this thing. Oh, yes. Huh. Yeah, that thing's too big. Oh, here comes 3000s.
Yeah, of course.
So good the 3000s do. Those, those things are pretty long. That Mini Cooper should do it over there. Mini.
were designed.
It's almost drifting though, just flooring it. I'm doing a little burnout. It's funny. Mine's just no traction me. just jerking around. It's funny. This is like Gymkhana? Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Is Gymkhana like this? Like
Coliseum mostly.
is Gymkhana like this kind of?
My focus.
Yeah.
Okay, it's like
bigger
autocross.
courses than they-
All the
It's like
other-
an autocross then type thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take my focus ST up there.
Take, Dad could take the Corvette.
Yeah.
That'd do pretty good.
Yeah, they have more open courses to go faster.
Yeah, the Corvette would do good. If we step up.
They're trying to be safe here.
Yeah. He's just idling through all the turns. There you go. Yeah, big car like that. Yeah.
See where the course.
Like the Opal, it's hard to see over the passenger side and everything. I mean, I think that Sprite's gonna win. Like that bugeye Sprite. There's a lot of Mini Coopers here. And there's a... Oh, TVR's over there, wow. Burnouts. See I think the wing come up? Yeah, the wing's coming up on the back because he's hitting a certain mile an hour, yeah. I'm pretty sure, I think I saw a little flop coming up. That's cool.